spokesperson of the BJP joins us along with Shekhar Iyer, senior journalist. Shyam Prasad Meka, leader of the Congress. It seems that Fawad Chaudhary has also joined the BJP ka parivar. Shyam Prasad Meka. First he endorsed Rahul Gandhi, then the Congress. Now he's endorsing all of INDI from PAK.
See, Padmaja, so why is the Prime Minister and lot of the media are interested in what Fawad Chaudhary is saying? We are interested in what Satyapal Malik is saying. Have we conducted debates on that? No. Prime Minister doesn't like India and India's people. तो ये पाकिस्तान चले जाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ चुनाव अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है. This is the problem, right? So why are we worried about what Fawad Chaudhary says? Let's talk about our election, our issues, no? What Satyapal Malik is saying, why can't we talk about it? प्राइम मिनिस्टर भाग जाते हैं, बिना बुलाए जाके बिरयानी खा के आ जाते हैं. जब चुनाव में फंस जाते हैं पाकिस्तान चले जाते हैं. यही है नरेंद्र मोदी का काम.
Okay, I will quote to you also Charu Pragya what Manish Tiwari has said. He has said Dr. Manmohan Singh as Prime Minister never went to Pakistan even once in 10 years. But Narendra Modi did in December 2015 and Atal Bihari Vajpayee in February 1999. Late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi dismembered Pakistan in December 71 and created Bangladesh. Surprised at Prime Minister's desperation to raise the Pakistan bogey. Who is Fawad Chaudhary? Fawad Chaudhary first being quoted by Prime Minister, then Yogi Adityanath, then Himanta Biswa Sarma. Why? He's a nobody.
Padmaja, good evening, and it's good to see you again. Welcome back to Delhi.
Only
now,
for 2 days.
Congress has a legacy of giving and receiving lots of love from Pakistan. And we can prove that. The forefathers of Congress first gave Pakistan, then they gave away Kashmir, then they left Balochistan to their mercy, so on and so forth. And if we talk about contemporary times, Congress is a party which is obviously going to make Pakistan happy because they don't raise any voice whatsoever when there are terrorist activities being carried out in India, but they question surgical strikes that India carries out against Pakistan. And Congress leaders and notable Congress leaders like Digvijay Singh or Manishankar Iyer or Salman Khurshid, they actually consider Pakistan a better and a friendlier nation than India is. Obviously, Fawad Chaudhary is going to be praising them. Now, Nawaz Sharif is the only name they take, and for that one visit, they can go on and on about it. But the people of India know that the agenda of Pakistan is supported and being carried forward in India by people of the Congress party. Who's praising them every single day? Who is the one who's praising Pakistan in Indian parliament, and then there are echoes and claps for that in the Pakistani parliament? We are not looking for any kind of an applause from the Pakistanis. In fact, we don't talk to them because we say we cannot have a conversation or anything at all while
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Clean by. It's a tile lad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स. टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.